BittyBrush. Hi, today we will draw a fire truck. Great! Wheel number 1. Wheel number 2. A flashing light. The window. Headlights. The line. And another line. Fire hose. Three circles. Stairs. Let's paint the car red. I like the color red. And you? Yellow. Gray color. Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel. What a beautiful car it turned out to be. Bye bye.